Hello, people. You welcome back to the channel. It is your one and only Lady Jackson bringing you this particular Thursday night pool party. All the juice that happened as AD Hall tonight was so spicy and intentional, and must I just say intense, because literally right now we're going to ship multiple people, and it is what it is, right? So guys, on this particular video, I'm going to unload to you the second kiss that Cross and Ilibai engaged in, and the stench, like the strong disgust in the face of Sisi and the surprise in the face of other housemates. The very intentional dancing that happened between White Money and Mercy Eke, the two winners. And then the moment shared by Angel and Samatina. So guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you watch this video till the end, because it's going to be unleashing as a day hot. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button to for notification, and every post I make, share comments down below, give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video so that more people can get to see it. So tonight, during the first week, right, we saw where Mercy Eke and White Money had a conversation as to how they needed to support each other, saying that they're both the winners, the only winners on the show, and the other housemates were rather ganging up against them, planning to how do I best put it, to make sure that they're taking out of the show. Now, according to White Money, he would rather prefer that it's one of them that wins and the other is the first runner-up. He does not care if Mercy Eke actually wins and he is the first runner-up, and he wouldn't mind if he wins and she is the first runner-up. What he was trying to do was that they should have an alliance, that when each of them are up for eviction, the supporters and the fans of the other person gets to join in and vote for the other person to stay. And then we saw how Mercy kind of like threw that under the bus when she was saying that she's only here to support ladies and ladies supposed to win and all that. We thought that nothing serious was going to happen between them, not until tonight, the pool party. Mercy Eke was just inside that water in front of White Money, who was shirtless on his yellow shorts, and girl was going jiggly jiggly to the left, jiggly jiggly to the right, jiggly 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 all around. It's like, I'm not giving the exact energy right, but that's exactly what happened. Like, these guys are dancing intentionally and going at each other. I'm like, yes, let it flow. Moving on from there, I need to just make this a statement so that when it actually happens, we will not be shocked. Ilebaye is seemingly playing the strongest game in the Big Brother All-Star season. And I must say it in every way. Like, girl is gunning for every man and still gunning for one man while she's doing this. So during the first pool party last week, y'all remember the video I posted about, the intentional kiss that the both of them, her and Cross, shared in the pool. A lot of people came to the comment section was like, oh, it's a lie. It was not a kiss. They were just close to each other. I'm like, I see what I see. This is when they talk. When they play, they beat around the bush. I know what I saw. But a lot of people were talking about it and saying, oh, nah, blah, blah, blah. Then we saw that after all the craziness that had happened last week and this week so far, yesterday or 2 days ago, Cross and Ilebaye shared another kiss, the second kiss. Now, this was made known by, Venita, who was complaining that Ilebaye has no self-control. The girl is throwing herself on guys and all of the 9 yards. When you want to shame another lady, that was what she was intentionally doing, until she confronted Cross, who actually told her, which was today, that I was the one who actually kissed her. And, Venita was trying to make it look like she's going to paint Ilebaye very bad. She was like, okay, why did she climb on top of you? And he was like, but I was the one who kissed her. Her lips was too cute for me to ignore and stuff. And that was how that died out. Not until the pool party. And everything had to play out in the presence of every other housemate, because just like last week, Cross and Ilebaye were also seen in the pool, and this time they were holding on to each other and intentionally locking lips, and it was like a back and forth, a continuous thing that even Ford was keeping a shocked face. Ike was in awe, and every other housemate were like, what is happening? I could literally see the disgust in Cece's face and Venita who doesn't like Ilebai, and Cece who likes Cross but is playing hard to get. And it seems like Cross and every other guy in this house right now are not ready to play the game of let me chase you for 10 hours or 200 days before you accept. And it seems like this is a shape between these two. But although, like I said, she's playing a very good game, because after that, she still went on to Neo, if I'm not mistaken, Neo to have a very good time out, during the pool party. I just hope that things just move on from there. Moving on from that, Angel, baby girl, I like you, right? But I need to ask a few questions. So, with all the things that Ike has been saying about you, you like pushing the misogynist narrative of guys around, you like to bash guys, you like to push the feminist narrative. We can see how you really, really, really like Samadina, but you keep claiming that, oh no, I don't really like him. I'm not here to come and do any shit. I'm not here for all the da. But from the onset, I made a statement in one of my previous videos. I was like, Samadina is giving Angel Sammy's vibe, and we saw how, although they kept fighting back to back, what's her name, Sammy and Angel could not get enough of each other. They literally had to fight till the end of the show, but we could see that these two actually genuinely liked each other, and that's the same thing that's playing out here. We noticed how Samadina and Angel had an altercation, not outrightly, they were ignoring each other and stuff, and we saw where Venita was trying to encourage Samadina that, if you really like this girl, why not go for her and all the 9 yards and everything. And then we saw where Angel was blabbing to the girls, doing and one other girl, that what, the next nomination will nominate Samadina to leave the show. What does he think he is and all that? Now let me let you guys know, tonight the truth came out in the open. Samadina and Angel are actually pushing a ship, and that was seen after immediately we saw how they kept throwing, stealing dances with each other, stealing glances at each other during the pool party, and then immediately after the pool party they went to the room. Samadina was laying on the bed and Angel just sat across him. It's like a cross, like when Samadina is lying down and then somebody stays in a cross position. That was Angel, and they were just staring at each other and having subtle talks. How are you? Hope you enjoyed it, the pool party. And then Samadina was like, I really want to kiss you. Do you want to kiss? And then boom, it happened. I was like, but I'm not going to be deceiving me, Jari. I told you how it's doing. How is this, seeing beautiful moments. I love it. Love is so nice, guys. Anyways, guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button to have notification and every post I make. Don't forget to share, comment down below, and also share this video, because I'm going to see you on the next one.